Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. Really is quite a sight to behold this. It feels like a big game, it looks like a big game. Mind you, they all do at this ground. According to what we've been told, this is how it looks. It's 4-3-3.
Well, a system promoted by the rise of total football, Peter. The wider players in the front three are key operators in how it all works on and off the ball. They have to provide for the central striker, of course, and protect their fullbacks, so they'll get few breathers. If these two don't make a good impression, there are quite good replacements on the bench.
So we're up and running. Duda. Calvo. Passing is crisp and sharp. Great defending, strong and determined. And it's Wijnaldum. Wijnaldum. He's had it nicked away. Looking for options for movement. Maya. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? No, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. Medran, Calvo, and it's Wijnaldum. Toko it can be. Passes coming off in quick succession here. Hit into the middle, climbs up big! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
He simply mistimed the header, and it was as if he knew it wasn't going to work out.
Anything noteworthy in the early part of the match, Jim?
Well, neither side has really grabbed the initiative, I would say. Both must have come in with a view of not making any early mistakes. So we're seeing some conservatism here.
And he's managed to get free. That's been drilled in. He's had a hit! Duda. Oh, Red, nice interception. No change to the score, 0-0 it remains. Wijnaldum. Interesting ball. Oh, it's played into the area. He's got away. Some good work on the right flank here. Nice bit of trickery. Punched away. That looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Threads one in.
That's positional goal, the utilisation of space.
And that has been cleared. And he's there to clear it. And now a sudden chance to counter. Wijnaldum, chance and a header! That was superb goalkeeping.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Spread out to the left. Big chance! And he nearly went all the way.
Well, we can't question the quality of the run. He'll have to answer for the rest.
Maya moves short. Bout of passing here, really easy. There's the hit! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Wijnaldum. What a throw in. Gently done. He has found a way through. The pressing's intense and it's paid off. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Looks to clip it forward. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
And that was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
He's going for goal! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
Their second corner now. And now they can spring out of defence. There's a sharp little ball here. The defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Maya. For a moment you felt that was going somewhere, but they'll have to go again. Toko Akambi showing good feet, and that's aimed into the middle. Just 5 minutes left until the break. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
He made it look a bit predictable.
No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Nicely intercepted. Out to the right. Well, that's really good play on the right. He's driving forward. Toko it can be. Now it's Dembele. Dembele. Played out to the right. Maya. We are into overtime. And that'll be the final action of the first half. Well, there it is, half-time. Not a bad watch by any means. And the efforts of both sides have been good, but neither have been able to penetrate. And so we reach the break, and the game remains goals. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
It's been all left field, and while the supply has been decent, it's bringing no reward, so this needs a different approach.
An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. The action has already resumed here.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we'd hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. And now a sudden chance to counter. Duda is steaming forward. Well, that is good. Super running, sharp movement. Came up against a defender, though, who was ever so determined. Moved on forwards, over to the left. Now that's well seen too. Well, the counter could be on here. Maya. Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. Having a go. Now, who's going to be first to this? Oh, no question, that's a foul. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
He just needs to find the control button on his aggression before the ref does it for him, Peter.
And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Proves too strong. Looking for the runner, and there's his chance to lead the counter. Dembele. Clearly not happy with that. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing.
You can never be short of runners into space. As
towering header! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Well, being able to generate that amount of activity in the box means it's hard not to pick someone out.
He's found a way through. Oh, the movement is slick, the speed is slippery. The defence, though, able to hold on this time. Cross goes in there. In with a header! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Well, plenty of moving targets to pick out in the box. Obviously increases your chances of the ball being met like that by someone.
Ah, now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Good spot, he's seen the run. That's very neat. Madran.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Now then, the ball's come loose. Well, they could break here. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Expertly cut out, really nicely done. Maya. Good running, strong and purposeful. Now, what about a counter-attack? Duda. Fiddles it through, calmly anticipates. Gets his pass away. He's got the shot away! Duda. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Dembele. He's a sharp little ball here. That's going to go a long way. Now it's Dembele. Now it's Toko Ekambi. Shapes to shoot. It's off target and by quite a way.
Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Plenty of action at either end, just nothing to show for it.
Yes, and it's been far from uneventful. We've had a healthy amount of attempts at goal from both teams, and with this kind of ambition, we may not have to wait too long.
Well, there's going to be another change here.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
In by Wijnaldum.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Played out towards the right wing. Pinches it off him.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
And it's been hit one! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, someone's doing his job properly, Peter, that's for sure.
Maya with the short one. That looks a good ball. Gets good distance on it. Fiddles it through. Great chance! Oh, that is rather wayward.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Passing is crisp and sharp, looking for the runner.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Now here's the delivery. That has been knocked clear.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Threads one in, spread neatly. That is lovely. He's found a way past. Has a go! Oh no, no circumventing this opponent. Into the middle, massive leap! It's loose and there's a... he can pounce on that! Well, that tackle was certainly sturdy. That's surely a foul. Free kick. And No surprise, that's a booking. Great strike, but the keeper's equal to it. Now it's Wijnaldum. He's shifting through the gears here. Wijnaldum's delivered. Can he finish? Defending of the desperate variety. And it's played forward. Looking for options for movement. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. And there goes the final whistle.